Hello there. So if you're new to my channel, click on that subscribe, by the way, and click on that bell and you'll get my weekly updates on a Monday morning. So this is about giving away a dash cam, this video. It's as simple as that. I got given this dash cam about 3 or 4 months ago. Navitel R600. There's a video at the top of me setting it up. And this is the dash cam. It's only a small one. Look at the size of my hands of that. Really small, really light. I quite liked it. I had it in the car for about 4 or 5 weeks after setting it up, and I recorded quite a few little things, uploaded one of the videos onto YouTube channel afterwards. That's there as well. So it's there for someone. There's a couple of terms and conditions you need to remember, which I'll tell you in a minute about them. And the only thing it doesn't come with is a micro SD card. So hopefully you've got a micro SD card. If you haven't, they're not very dear. There's a link at the bottom to Amazon. I think they're from about £8 upwards. So it depends on the size of the card. The card I tend to use is 32GB ones. They tend to last me a while, but you can choose whatever size one you want. It's up to you, it's your budget, isn't it? But this is what it is. You need to be in the UK and you need to share this video on social media. So whether it would be YouTube, Instagram, Google, Snapchat, I think then, or Facebook, any of them, whatever you want to share it on, it's up to you. If you've got any other social media, then fine, share them on that. You can share it once, you can share it as many times as you want, and just put a comment below saying you shared it. And then the closing date is the 11th of December, which is a Tuesday. So you got about 8 days from today to start to share it and put your comment. Anything after the 11th of December, miss your opportunity. Once it's closed, I'll choose a comment on a random generator, get a number off that, and then what we'll do then is I'll contact that person and then get the address, send it to them. So they should have it before Christmas. It'll be a nice little bonus thing for someone who's learning to drive or just passed the driving test who wants a dash cam. It's quite a nice one. It records in 1080p. Okay, safe driving, and like I say, if you're new to my channel, click on that subscribe. Take care.